Welcome to the Quick Start Guide for your Aurora Scientific 400A Series Force Transducer. Lay the contents on a clear workbench or table. Take great care when handling the items as the transducer is quite fragile. You should have the following contents: the electronics, the transducer in its protective plastic casing, and the power cable. Once you have chosen an appropriate location, such as an instrument rack or lab shelving, you can proceed to set up and test your transducer. Plug the power cable into the rear panel of the electronics box. Next, set the transducer in its plastic case on the bench with the glass tube facing upwards. Then plug the transducer's cable into the front panel of the electronics. Open the plastic case and flip the power switch on the front panel to the on position. You should hear a short beep and the force out display should read near 0. Take a small piece of tissue paper and using tweezers gently brush it across the glass tube. You should then see the force output display change, and depending on your model, you may hear an audible beep. If at any point you hear the transducer beeping continuously, stop touching the glass output tube and proceed more gently. The beeping is the overload warning for the unit. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the 4 screws holding the transducer in its plastic case. Then mount the transducer to a secure plate which fits into the apparatus. The transducer is shown being mounted on the ASI 801C intact muscle apparatus. Create a hook or pin from small gauge wire or tubing and slide it into the glass output tube of the transducer. This hook can be used for calibration or attachment to the sample. A little bit of paraffin wax or glue can be used to secure the hook. This concludes the Quick Start Guide for your Aurora Scientific 400A Series Force Transducer. For further information on using the transducer, please contact Aurora Scientific to speak with one of our engineers.